Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your RAM 1500 faster. We'll cover simple upgrades that significantly boost performance without complex modifications. These methods are popular for their effectiveness and straightforward installation. You'll learn about improving airflow, optimizing engine parameters, and reducing vehicle weight. Let's dive into how you can get more out of your truck with just a few easy steps. First, consider a cold air intake. This upgrade replaces your truck's factory airbox with a less restrictive system, allowing your engine to breathe easier. You can expect a gain of 5 to 20 horsepower, along with improved throttle response. Installation is usually straightforward, often taking less than 1 hour, making it a fantastic first step for more power. Next, a performance tuner can unlock significant power. These devices plug into your truck's OBD-ROMAN2 port and optimize engine parameters like fuel delivery, ignition timing, and transmission shift points. You could see gains of 20 to 40 horsepower and torque. Many tuners come with preloaded tunes, making it easy to select the performance level you desire for your RAM 1500. Finally, consider a catback exhaust system and lighter wheels. A catback exhaust improves exhaust flow, adding 5 to 15 horsepower and a more aggressive sound. Lighter wheels reduce unsprung weight, which means quicker acceleration and improved handling. These two upgrades, while sometimes overlooked, offer noticeable improvements in both performance and driving dynamics for your RAM 1500.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.